How to order on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can order on Uber Eats, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically order on Uber Eats, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Uber Eats application here. And once you launch the Uber Eats app, you simply want to look out for restaurants and foods that you want to buy and then simply add them to your cart. So let's say if I want to buy from here, I will simply select that, and then after that I will simply go ahead and then basically make sure to add any of the items to my basket. Now I can go to the baskets tab and then I'll be able to view my current order. Then I can tap on the view basket option here. Then I can simply review it once more, and then I can simply go ahead and then tap on the go to checkout button. Once you go there, you can tap on the no thanks option if you don't want any of this. Then after you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically get those. This way you can order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.